All right, everybody, thank you for joining us down in the mill. It's Tom and Anthony. We are here to do our tough test. We talked about it a couple weeks ago. And what we are going to do, because there is a lot of disparaging opinions out there on the internet about whether it makes a difference to have a domino inside your boards or just gluing it. A lot of people say, as we do, domino provides strength and alignment. Some people say gluing is just the same as dominoing.
Yep.
So how did we do these boards here, Ed?
So we started with some S4S, old white oak 2x4s and 2x6s, just some old floor joists and studs and whatnot. Joined them up. This one here, we just squared everything. Like you just said, glued them, clamped them. A lot of people say that a long glue joint is just as strong. So same process with the bottom table here, except we did 2 dominoes per joint as well as the glue. It's my personal preference putting the tables together. It's good for alignment, but
And a domino is like a tenon almost, right?
yeah, it creates a floating tenon, exactly.
Yep.
My personal preference is use them. Don't. Why not? We're going to want to get, people want to pay us one time to build them a table, so we might as well put the extra in it first time instead of doing the second one for free.
That's right. So all you restaurant owners who have ordered tables from us, hope you're watching, because you're about to see what you paid for. We're going to do a couple of different tests to see what holds up better. We're going to start with one test, a little bit lighter, and we're going to progress as we go on. So guys, stay tuned. This is about to get real exciting. Cold rolled steel, hitting it on an angle right on one of the seams. This is glue only. Safety first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was fucking 3.
What we want to see is if got a little bit of the glue joint here that failed, but you can see it pulled the material apart.
Right.
So that would have been just the other side. So it's not even actually the glue joint that failed. So I mean, I would say that the joint is certainly very strong. It's going to depend upon this glue joint was a little bit more.
Right, that was more.
But we had some powder post damage on the bottom here as well. So.
Did this break right on the...
Yep. So this was the glue joint here.
Right.
Cool.
Test number 1 on the Festool Domino. See if this makes any difference. Same conditions. Soft salesman hitting a table on an angle right on the joint. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. That is a fucking pass. 3. All right, guys, you've seen it here first. For all you doubters out there that didn't think the Festool Domino made a bit of difference,
We beg to differ.
that's right. We beg to differ. Anthony was right. And Festool Domino, thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed this little segment. Any words of wisdom?
I'm thoroughly impressed, but can't say I didn't tell you so.
You didn't think I had it in me, right?
I knew you had it in you, but I knew the Festool Domino had it too, so I was going to hold up.
Hell yeah. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed. Y'all have a beautiful, whatever day this is, Friday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see you next week.